Good morning, everyone. Welcome to Pre-Market News and Views by InTheMoneyStocks. Today is September 1st, 2017. My name is Nick Santiago. Thank you all for tuning in today. All right, today we just had the non-farm payroll report. You can see that the futures are basically just going sideways ever since the report. I think there was 165,000 jobs created, maybe 189,000. Who cares about the number? We only care about the reaction in the market. And what you're going to see here is that the futures are higher by about 5.5 points, but they were higher before the job number was even announced. So we'll see where today goes. It's been a decent week for the market, a light volume trading week. Anytime you go into a Labor Day holiday or a big holiday like this where you have an extended weekend, it usually favors upside in the market, and so far it has done that this week. So we'll see how next week plays out. That'll be more important. But in the meantime, we have lots of stocks in the news. First one we're going to take a look at today is going to be AMBA, A-M-B-A. This is a chip maker. The stock is getting absolutely annihilated. It closed at $54.40. It's now trading at $46.36. Believe it or not, I don't have a level for this per se, but I will come up with a mathematical level. I'll have that posted up in the intraday stock chat room right at 9 a.m. But AMBA, what a haircut here. This stock traded as high as, or closed yesterday at $54.40, now trading at $46.46. And again, you can see that fake print that just popped up all the way to the gap where it closed yesterday. That is some fall, though, in AMBA today. Let's take a look at Cooper. COO is the ticker symbol here. Stock right now is trading at $246. It closed at $250.83. So you got a little bit of a downtick there. Still a lot of support at $240. We'll see how this plays out. I don't really see this going much below there. Maybe $237.50. There could be some good support there. But we'll look at this one once the opening bell rings in the intraday stock chat room a little bit later today. Next up, we'll take a look at LULU. This is the athletic apparel maker, or retailer, I should say. And you're going to see here LULU catching a really nice bid. Stock closed at $57.55, now trading at $61.35, $61.38. That's a great little move for LULU. I'll have resistance levels for this posted up in the intraday stock chat room once the opening bell rings. But good pop so far for LULU. We'll see if it can go a little bit higher. We'll have some nice levels to potentially play this on the short side in the intraday stock chat room. Next up, we're going to take a look at Nutanix. NTNX is the ticker symbol here. This stock right now is trading at $23.70, closed at $22, so decent little uptick there. I don't know if I can make too much out of it. It's a new issue. I don't have a lot of data. If you take a look at, say, a monthly chart of this, you could just see that it's only been around since October of 2016. So there's not a whole lot to do here as far as support resistance levels go. I'd be a little bit careful with it. But we'll see what it looks like once the opening bell rings. We'll see if we get any intraday patterns, and maybe there'll be a play there. Let's take a look at cybersecurity firm Palo Alto Networks. PANW is the ticker symbol there. And you're going to see that the stock right now is trading at $144.20. That's up from $132.69. So that's a real powerful move. I have resistance levels in play for PANW. They'll be posted up in the intraday stock chat room. So even though it's a Friday, it's a day before Labor Day, looks like we're going to have some pretty good potential levels and plays out here, and that always makes for an interesting trading morning. We had another good morning yesterday, 3 winners in the morning session alone. So, again, we're not going to cover off the ball here in 2017 intraday stock chat room. Even though you get slow markets, all you need is 1 or 2 good plays, and, again, makes up for everything else. So, again, we'll look to try to do that today, and if you haven't done so, come on over, take that 7-day free trial to the intraday stock chat room, check it out, see what it's all about, trade right alongside of us. Let's take a look at Tech Data. TECD is the ticker symbol there. This stock is getting annihilated today. It closed at $110.29. This is a lighter volume name, meaning rarely does it trade 1 million shares a day, and it is getting absolutely pummeled this morning, trading down at $89. There's going to be some support around this $88 area, so we'll look at this, but again, a lighter volume name, sometimes this can overshoot. The next big support level I'm seeing is probably around $86.80, and then you have to go all the way down to around $74. So we'll see how this plays out once the opening bell rings, but Tech Data getting absolutely annihilated this morning. All right, let's shift gears here a little bit. Let's go over to the gold market. Gold futures trading up about $4.20 right now. to $1,326.40 an ounce. If you take a look at the GLD this morning, this is a good gold ETF. You'll see that this spiked pretty much above the 126.20 level, now coming back into this black line. I still am in the camp that gold has a lot of resistance here, but if it starts to consolidate, gold is telling us it wants to go higher and there's problems on the horizon. So we'll see how that plays out. But right now, I do think we're at a pretty good resistance area for gold, but we'll see how it plays out throughout the session. Looking over at the crude oil market, we have crude oil futures down 28 cents to $46.95 a barrel. If you take a look at the USO, which is a good oil ETF, you'll see that's trading at $9.59, down from $9.63 where it closed last night. So that is down ticking a little, and we'll see how that plays out. But once again, gold, oil, and all the stocks mentioned will be in play this morning, and we'll see how it goes ahead of the Labor Day holiday. All right, with that being said, everybody, I'm going to leave it here short and sweet. I want to wish you all a wonderful, wonderful weekend. God bless, and we'll see you on the charts.